What is up everyone, you are watching Developers channel, and in this video I will show you how you can use secure folder in Samsung Galaxy A22 and how you can add images and videos in Samsung Galaxy A22 secure folder. So before starting video, if you are first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to use secure folder, first of all you just need to enable secure folder. So to do this, watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.